Welcome to my second video, and today we will solve this exercise as you can see. So let's get started. Firstly, I have clicked to the sketch module and sketch. I use the right plane. Here you can see that there is a line command has been used. So let's use line command here. Yes, double click, we'll use shift here, then we have to specify dimension. So specify dimension, here we can also specify the angle. I guess, yes, 45, yes. And we'll use mirror entity here. So first of all we have to use Centerline here. So Centerline, I'm using Centerline, and then I will make a parallel line of this line and this line. So for making it parallel, first of all click here, then click this line and make parallel, as you can see. So here I will use mirror entity. For that I have to use this line, and the axis about will use to rotate or make mirror about this. Then select yes, then we'll make it mirror of this version. For that we need a Centerline here, so we can mirror this version and we can create another like this in the right portion. For that I also need another Centerline here. I use Centerline. About this will mirror this portion. For that I will use mirror entity and all this, then about this is simple. And now I have to make a Centerline so that I can mirror this portion to this side. For that, and again I need a Centerline here. Now I will mirror it. Yes. Now about this section, it is easy, as you can see. Now I will make a circle first here, and for this circle the radius, the diameter is 80, so I'll put diameter 80 here. Now for this circle the diameter is 120, so make a circle, specify diameter 180. Sorry, 120 I guess. Yes, that's it. We have successfully created this sketch. Thank you for watching.